Insia Commander 6 there be a macacho say be can say ne sibitie ya yemfa bi nka oni enyi bi nso emfa emfremu o man nchichire o man nkanko enti ene ene sabini dia kwesi insia Asem di kabre ena asujane live on Facebook Adom TV eno amanfo ba am say manya mo mudi mesremu ada mfa nche bebo mudi no why ti joane na no pai yemo bia on social live Adom TV on Facebook Adom TV sounds na your YouTube and so Adom TV we ni nyina na audio form near the good podcast betimi akwakotie bi etie previous production na so de and so honum me say bibia bako de ba quickly man say anopain 3 million packs of condom ayira every Ghana and ahumiti 3 million condoms. Mama heard them. They said the value at 1.34 million Ghana cedis. Drive any of this man here who condoms are you. So ya dear theatre sena. Yen I am one embra no asia. Quabrania timias sa. And ya makuba and ya pack, sir, 3 million. Ayira. Massa. No, me and yes, it is so. Bema, going to me, you so. Untimi to ye ka se divide crowd for the next year's cracker untimi you soon you fabra near my man for nyina so nsanka bi ko 3 million condoms there ni nyina ntima me do hon mo sa and as a car no nya accident we enwu moja ma e wo condom no te esro ba bi akwakọ de bi anwa fabra na ya kese ye de man for no bi ade abo ne ho ban. Now back to SSNIT. I don't know the combo about na make sure ni akofa sa SSNIT hotels no e kan bebrede aba me ma ya we e ka ya Parliament of Ghana crowd some of these hotels conferences are all do our government agencies ministries no be in some of these hotels are up to now omu entwiaye maka to say ade ba ko bi o man mu a yetete ho din ni aye din sa na ekọ na ade nso yen eye e ka dodo a aban ede enwumakuo enkaka aban enwumakuo wo man mu eno me bo yisi ji so kire o mabo Ghana water de so de a kire o ena mabo bo nyuma wodo bebre aban ede de omo kanti a amasa nyoku no ebre hwe ade at the end of December 2023 hwe ka na aban ede SSNIT in terms of contribution hwe ade o TV ni so in terms of contribution e ka na Ghana aban ede SSNIT. So contribution collection as at December 2023. Private sector contribution collection. SSNIT target for 2023 on BGDF free private sector on 3.5 billion. But we are 4 billion Ghana cedis. It means some performance cost 113.9%. No more share Mrs. Combat free are buying and chain 4 billion. Omunya mu 2 billion pe de aka ba fene matches aban twetwa kakra eka wase winye neka a pile sa neighbor a pile sa neighbor it aban the SSNIT ka SSNIT ntimi nyeska obetim di atwia amanfo then the International Labour Organization at the abetumi anhwe ya the next few years to come SSNIT ntimi ntwia amanfo retirement packages. Ni atone ni humbu aba be shemu. Ni abeka o da binya no kre. Ba hwe eka eda aban eproso. Almost 2 billion Ghana cedis. You also Ghana ban twia to SSNIT. Se ankra entwia was SSNIT contribution a ade SSNIT for be okrom ha no. I didn't na abind the because yeah na aka dey atwetim oh abind the odo kai dey obetwia but it's time value for money. Assume somebody be to say kra na obetimi predicting inflation. Why the doubt you wonder say Ghana inflation betimi apagya akọ 54%. Why na dwe wonder At that time now ye calculation say okay, I buy the snake at 2 billion. Yen for bear say 1 billion and can one. Every 54%. Time value of money. I buy the car. Oh, I buy the other car, but that bang. It's no catch or say. Asem na Abam. Muma yen fano MPP, NDC. No, and usual. Because ye to ye no, and ye na sati. And I know me document, you know. Say your boy a trim posse about tongues. Some of these hotels, you know, way back 2012. Way back 2012. And the same and ye man near Jinaswa, Nanka ye pe private investor, no injected the Kadia Shem said and ye pe the neno. The same ye man near said Jinaswande. So from 2012 till now, yeah, I did. If I'm not sure, SSNIT contribution. A car Ghana buying a SSNIT. If you think the private sector no, a SSNIT with me at Nasi, I'm a private sector, I don't come and do something personal. We need to also start chasing government. Apparently, many the cabinet bresa. Organized labor no. Yes, and the above do Adom. What should be the way forward? Yes, young tongue. Yes, ma am for Sika Emma Meshemwa. What would be the way forward? SSNIT na nessa air control na dia. So besa ba say aban besa koso at these hotels the kana. The company list no. Match car parliament at some of the hotels. Match car some of government agencies at some of these hotels. No, sa e kano. No, and remember say. Still for someone invested not less than 233 million Ghana cedis into these hotels. Now, Niakache says the canning is a ashe. You no. Says the cano ashe. Yes, you must net and tongue fine. Why sick a beam yes, I found him. Yes, I'm conquering yes, cana. 7 年so kran ensa so ye papa no e na ensa fa kwhyem ana ye di kwhyem a kwa be de betimi afa so a ye ensa betimi akesi ka back. Because when we are making case study for some of these hotels, they say what ba could be as say make profit just about last 2 years. So all these years a hotel no I existing nyina no no, but the menu mi sika and they inject it into it na sika dodo na wo aban e booksum with the mentality say I bind there with the car obetua I bind the car obetua da ban and no catch your here see the books I bind ka say tom near the aband or the car obetua cause aban we ko na aban we aba aban we ko na aban we aba it will be aba no twa sope na ekapudo no e da so timbe bi etim Ababetua na kana so ti won sa. Me se ya hwe ni ya be ye albatross on our neck. Eno a enkuyen ba na eprayen. Ni se penfo e kwakotena se adwen ho biem. Ya nwen ho biem asoman. Na ye misa se ye betimi ato akoso asa invest amanfo sika de agum ana. Kobedi kaka me say e kana e deda sa hotels no. It is not as if the hotels no munya guest o. Anya no question hotels no munya guest. Now wo enko ho. Ba bedroom re because say abanyu makodu mu ka bebre na sika ne menti no. Wonye sika fence ese obiem. Etudu wo wonye wakon no so be sa ko obiem. Sisi hotels ne SSNIT here. Yes SSNIT here. If we be ne ba bedru ba bi adri. So organized labor, whilst we continue to exercise, they say, my Antono, you press on government, say, a car who do this some of these hotels on certain free one. From a banning agents, messing the parliament. Some of these can almost certain be free one. Ninya abandi kobechiano. Ne contract be brahman no hunu nyina say abade do muka wo dis kan man se se akima afes kan nso ade ye biem But I see a beku anymore. Yes, I buy promises ne doso. But we can't spend what we don't have. Ni yeni no yentimi spend it. But to the be a sebi no credit ya enter the ni ya man your semutino. Say man for ko be kan credit check na for kwa. Ye she na ni. Because a trona doso. And na da na doso. Et ya ba kra e ye plan ya check na for. Ye ni because of na no atrono. Na snipen for so hwehwe mo niam mo ye. Hwehwe no some people who want money, they don't deserve to hold position in some of these hotels. Ye could be bodin na na mo ye bia mo ye. Crofo who want money, they don't deserve some of the positions some of the mom won't deserve it. But because maybe when my mind kwabna sante to kwabna for oh chief where mo fa bi o na no ya na wo ye hotel kakra wi umpem that's sure ko ni braba ni organize labor ene kire say yes ya yire ho betimi apem de akoye nim apa ne papa de am man but organize labor so man ani na ho onso ma wani en na ho me catch say some of these people here omo ye adwuma hotels si omo aso na atoma hotels na bedu baby ababedu no eno me catch so until say SSNIT any Libya buy no e kan bom na omode hotel na share ankrankra binsa eye tulip and no drew Lancaster hotel who's a difference about adwuma mo yenim the same Ghana for na yense san obia yenyi obi anko baabia obia o baabia wona but who's a sakraye abem because I feel relax no any hobiem I feel enye abaye adwuma asem biem ni pena akoko disa wo ye woro for be pam abro obi anya ne hwe. But we walk chest out. Say abaye adwuma de oh asa me pekra na me ko me pa me nkodam dam baby but so me so ye bitua neka na agia na ba begu yeso and then na no holiday inn asa man for na kam ye ton ya mumsa gomuti suye ye adwuma boy but isi wo ye ni ya e bi anka ma medu ba bi aba bedu no o man ko na asante atena se ye be ko break no man pa cho boko de
o nyame adom bia ye boko na also
nyame adom hari achi
me doctor advice me say no nya about SSNIT system na Ghana system no so when you contribute to where we are now.
Oh yes.
Ascensioni so that say also katasumo mo aso no ne kora won kan e dia bedu ha. It don't go and blame the unions. No. We should all blame ourselves. That has been the status quo. The minimum be obeti imagine when aka so ban ni mu to bomo. If we want to correct it, that's very good for all of us. We should brace ourselves up. Say change, it comes with a lot of responsibilities. In the empese, yakopam a man I want makola hono masi kwan na multi pavement and a cross center on na party be opposition whether MPP and NDC no must ye de ba. Ye have mamu nyina asa abakwan so ye nko anim da. Ye kutia galamsi na party NDC kokubu akogina ye de ba. Ye de be mama ye ne more kra. How do we move forward? So we should be renewed, transformed by the renewal of our mind. Sa pepe na MPP opposition na petrol dey hey what dollar dey be china to na hey si abo chaskele na afiri ye hu say e pese upgrade chaskele na de kwade fofora ye nyina isi e trust wanim guasim na ye nyina nka nkire ye hu say baby ye du no krokro de John no adoso
yeah
now we need improve all cost need hotels that ka kire say me konda de o Cape Coast no na me ka we ko sisen
yeah
e ho bon kan e ho bon so ata say ukom so a la pam no mo kan board chairman ne omo ire ne omo man ne omo dofo ne e na dida da ho no mo ntio union fo yi na bi kika ho they know omo man ne say de asia fe na asi na won ma se bi e na mo akra no but that yeah ne ya ade ne man si e be to anim so na ye pretend say de ased ye nim de ye koso kra the unions they know They know that catering restaurants for over 30 years. Obi abefa our Ghana in this year. I don't want to go into those political aspects. I want to premise. They know. They know that Kumasi catering restaurant. They know that Sunyani catering. They know. Omunim pa union omunim. I don't want committee bia. Omunim minutes. They know. So let's stop the pretense that as if say afe no be toy Japadi bi na ehun akoba Asem na. They know. What trade center is said they know say an investment of state.
Yeah.
Cultural challenges are all this year. Go and check it. We need to just move away from pretense and partisanship and deal with the issues from a holistic point of view. But I mean, this approach, behaving holier than thou and crying more than they believe, as if say, no, Jack, because this year, no, Makachemo, intricacy are politicians use, you know. Some will go through the union, some will go through journalists, some will go through a 24, some will go through Omwanka, some will call for just to court a certain sympathy. Those sympathies, no, and you're real, and you're fake, and you're organic.
Yeah.
Very fake. This same conversation, I mean, Adom, but the more power are buying some and are buying to us. This same problem will still be hanging around our neck. So we pretend for a certain specific time. When we are done with that time or interest, then we move on to the next level. That's what we've been doing. Back and forth. We use my AC. We use without ATGs. There's almost all the radio stations. There's Nagana follows you. Go to our hospitals and see the challenges. Our educational sector. Go and see what we are going through. Party waiting for 3 years, waiting for 4 years. I feel that's how Giagumi are jam. They say no BC. Namia Duma, they correct. They bet to us. Because we were MPP and we were NDC. We BSC Jinaye. Nya Ghana Jinaye. MPP Jinaye and NDC Jinaye. Yeah. And I cry for all of us. In fact, me, you know, Jerusalem Mabia, Munsumo, Mamusuma me. Of course, that's the reality. Me, I cry for myself now. It will be a shame apart. The Ghana factor is missing. Cameraman will tell you now, your calculations will be fast. Or Kobolokum, on your Ghana who crowd. Only time. Oh. Nanke Kura buying Sassi, Yan Sassi and ne. And Matraha Kacho, and this your power. Baby, Oko baby, Hanum, because the end is from paying for quantity. No, it's a Sabreno, of the NDC for no power. And I made my point here, a lot of areas at Trawa who say MPP for our power. I want to bring Sabo Mobusa. Wait, news. If you want to correct it, let's all correct it and stop the partisan approach and the hypocritical approach. But it's a union for the Kakas or Munko for no boss, and no matter that. And maybe I feel no more sorry. Yeah, how that year the Jandas say on your bound also I was sorry. So let's allow the Ghana factor because when you drive in town, Ofa Legon Kwake, maybe from the Bia de Kufi, Ofa Legon Kwake can I any pa ebe free Legon about Montenzo. Moko Pejuma.
Yeah.
Unko Kevas, Unko Moma Kari UDS, Unko Baby Ao. Any pa omobe Pejuma Yawa Pontin. And Crankra Juma was to say, a bear Juma, or Mwanka say Jino Monaso with a kind of environment. Omina, a Debia show must sit in the air. Because if you finish university, that necessarily don't have to rely on government.
Yeah.
There's opportunities who ultimately try to be brief. The levels of frustration in this country
is too much.
Is getting out of hand. And pa in your money be the money boa a quadran casa and the conconset dinum there. You can't take it away from them. Yeah, casa the weak aspect of the citizens' responsibility. Yeah. But who did that so a brew at the two got them and out the two quem and I saw that's what said Uja 9. Now the global politics they be two quema. I don't know. Sebi John Mama and I said Baumia never tam ama white clean them out. We all have to be responsible. Driver need that which not quem, taxi driver, trotro driver. Ojina quem film not passengers. Not passenger for some more fruit. Then what's a traffic about one amanabazo. So if we a court in tandem, we will responsibility. We will responsibility. You know, baby, see any na we or mine shipping. But they say pa the pioneer pa Tituyen the Uboni Central for a dear war Ghana for no through politicians no almost fake attitudes and promises now. Yeah. I don't work again. Because when you wake up like this, now she said the Ghana see qua sometimes I don't want to use the word because your genuine this will be a situation.
Yeah.
One who because it's become
Because of money need that.
Hopeless or helpless.
That's your mind.
Yeah, because you need to check your food. The doctor said me careful.
Me den de akwasinsia o ma ko na sante ene abejafo ebeto aso de pensen mo ato aso de ama ye twa ho ama eba pensen na to aso